Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're taking a sweeping history and distilling the true essence of Islamic civilization.
You know, they say a heart without the ache of Andalusia is incomplete. It's an 800-year dream.
From the early conquests in 711 right down to its tragic fall, this civilization saw centuries of massive growth.
To put their intellect into perspective, just one single library in Córdoba held 400,000 handwritten manuscripts.
But here's the twist. External enemies didn't crush this golden age. A toxic internal disease caused the collapse.
That disease was asabiyyat, basically extreme tribalism and racial division that literally caused neighbors to slaughter each other. So what's the cure for that kind of division? The sources point to a mindset built entirely by revelation. This unified mindset actually starts with al-Husna, which means properly understanding the most beautiful divine names of God.
We aren't just talking about visual beauty here. It's a profound, active goodness that totally shapes human morality.
A healthy mind balances tanzi, which is God's absolute transcendence, with tashbih, meaning his incredibly close, active presence.
See, absolute tanzih makes God hopelessly distant, while absolute tashbih dangerously reduces the divine to a physical idol.
Revelation perfectly tunes the human soul. We acknowledge God's unmatched perfection while still recognizing his constant, everyday presence.
Back in Andalusia, this perfect theological balance wasn't just some abstract theory. It was literally carved into stone.
وَلَا غَالِبَ إِلَّا اللَّهِ. There is no victor but God. This powerful phrase echoes continuously across the Alhambra.
It served as a constant physical reminder of human limitation. It actively suppressed that toxic ego breeding division.
So, the ultimate takeaway? A balanced understanding of God directly builds a beautifully unified and resilient society.
As we wrap up, ask yourself, is your mindset actively building unity or falling victim to internal division?